Welcome to Systematic Hardware. My name is Zach and I have an unboxing of a Noctua airflow fan today, which is going to be ultimately solving this problem. Check this out. That is the sound of the stock fans of the Cooler Master N200. And that's a bit ridiculous, so these Noctua airflow fans are going to solve the problem. Comes with the manual. The 120mm fan. This has a little bit of weight to it for a 120mm fan. There's the 4-pin cable for PWM. This looks like the extension cord. This is the splitter. So you can plug in two fans into this, and then the other end goes into the motherboard. This is the low noise adapter that runs the fan at a lower voltage, which ultimately yields less of an RPM. The end result is less noise. And lastly, the screws. I'm going to be installing two of these fans into the Cooler Master N200, and my goal is to try out a bunch of things with this. See how much the temperature lowers inside the case. Also, if the components inside that case run cooler. I also plan on testing out that low voltage adapter as well. Is there going to be that much difference in the temps with all that hardware and temps inside the case? So thank you for watching. This is Zach from Systematic Hardware, and I'll see you in the next video.